Hello everyone, so let's see where we are, how we traded this week in order to see important levels for the from previous week for the next week ahead. So basically, if we split this profile here, we can see we had a rally up to August highs here, summer highs, first retest, then consolidation on a P-shaped day. Then retest on next day and failure, very nice short opportunity. Then price traded all the way down towards this low, less traded area here and this week's high, this area here, and this is where price mostly balanced here basically for the whole week. So we can see this level here and mostly price held this 650s level and with previous week's value area low support, and then a very nice rally up to 700s or so. So if we like to see here on the weekly time frame, we can see we have higher lows on the weekly. So perhaps if for any reason this week this 650s break and we trade below this the previous week's value area low and this week's value area low, which has 2 point of controls of previous weeks and very important level at 600s, perhaps we should see a move down to 400s. Also on the weekly candlestick here we can see many weeks of indecision here at this 800s 400s area here, so we need to see if now we can go towards the lower level of this range, which is like 250, and what it does there, will it hold and bounce or it goes below, so we can enter the other range down to 9,600, of course 10,000 level here very important, and 11,000 above. In case we just trade this week above all this consolidation on a higher time frame high here, perhaps we should go at 11,000. If this happens, next important resistance is this 11,400s and see what price will do there. Also on the daily here we can see multiple one time framing here, then broke down. Now again indecision on these areas, opening driving lower, closing in the middle below this swing high, holding this swing high again and selling lower, but then rebounding again. So perhaps we should see if we grind higher here or if we are going to sell towards the lower Bollinger Band. Also worth mentioning, worth having a look on VIX here. We have 4 straight days up and up. This day pull back a bit, so if this is about to pull back, then equities will drive higher, but if this is about to make further spike towards this swing high or even higher like 25 area here, perhaps we should see a very nice sell-off on equities. Otherwise this will be just a classic VIX collapse from here, like every time is doing this, and then we see a low volume grind higher in equities. If you want to join the live sessions I do for the European cash trading session every day on DAX, you can go on my Twitter page here at this name and click on the pin to it here at this link. Here, this will prompt you to a PayPal service in order to subscribe and get the password for the live screen sharing trading room for 19 euros a month. Of course, this is a monthly subscription, once a month. You can just click log in here and then you will able to purchase this option. Of course, you can cancel free at any time and contact me if you wish so.